Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a step-by-step guide on how to convert your driving license in Dubai. So here's what we will cover. When you should convert your driving license, who is eligible since it is not available for all countries, the process from starting on the RTA website to completing your eye test and visiting the RTA center, the cost involved, and a few important notes to keep in mind. Once you move to Dubai and receive your Emirates ID, you will need to get a local driving license. International and foreign driving licenses are only valid until your residence visa is issued. After that, you must switch to a local license. Not everyone can convert their license. This option is only available for citizens of certain countries. We are from Australia, so we were able to get a Dubai driving license without taking a driving test. The list of eligible countries can change over time, so always check before starting the process. To begin, go to the Roads and Transport Authority website. From there, go to Driver and Car Owner, then Driver's Licensing, and select UAE Driving License using Foreign License. I will share the website URL in the description below. The page will show you the required documents, which include your Emirates ID, eye test results, and your original driving license. Click Apply Now. Upload both sides of your original driving license and submit. You will then receive a text message with a reference number and further instructions. Doing this online will save you time at the RTA center later. We chose to visit the Kifaf RTA Customer Happiness Center because it is near Max Metro Station, has good reviews, and there is a RTA authorized optometry nearby. You can find the location link in the description below. The eye test costs 175 dirham and the results are valid for 3 years. But keep in mind that payment is only accepted in cash or via bank transfer, no card payments. The test itself is really simple. You just need to read some letters and numbers and do a quick color recognition test. It takes a few minutes to complete. After the test, the results will be uploaded to the RTA system, and you will get an SMS confirmation once it is done. After the eye test, head back to the RTA Customer Happiness Center. You will go into a booth and do a quick video conference where an officer will verify your details. Make sure you have your reference number, Emirates ID, original driving license, and a UAE-issued bank card ready for payment. The verification process only takes a few minutes. One important thing to note: payment must be made with a locally issued bank card. If you don't have one, the call will be cancelled, and you'll have to make a cash payment somewhere else before restarting the process. We have local bank cards, so everything was smooth. Once verification and payment are done, someone came over and said, "Your license will be ready in 2 to 3 minutes." At first, we thought they meant 20 to 30 minutes, but no, it was really just 2 to 3 minutes. And just like that, we received our Dubai driving license. The entire process was surprisingly quick and smooth. Now about the cost. The eye test was 175 and the 2-year driving license cost 870, bringing the total to 1,045, which is around US$ 285. When you renew it after 2 years, the cost will be lower because the first-time fee includes charges for opening a file and the handbook manual. A few things to keep in mind. No passport photo is needed because your Emirates ID photo will be used. Everything is fully digital, including the handbook manual, and you won't receive any paper documents. Also, make sure you only start the conversion process after getting your Emirates ID and a local bank card. If you don't usually carry cash, make sure you have access to mobile banking for transfers. All the information I've shared is based on our actual experience in Dubai on March 10, 2025. If you have any questions or different experience, feel free to share with us by leaving a comment below. Hope you found this helpful, and all the best with converting your driving license in Dubai. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.